In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN for Xbox Cloud Gaming, and if you want a fast, secure, and reliable option, I recommend NordVPN, which you can get using the link in the description before we get started. First, it's important to clearly understand how this works. Xbox Cloud Gaming is officially available only in certain regions. A VPN does not make the service legal in countries where it isn't supported. If Xbox Cloud Gaming is not officially available in your region, the only legal option is to wait until Microsoft enables it there. Everything I'm showing you here applies to regions where Xbox Cloud Gaming is already supported. In supported regions, using a VPN like NordVPN is completely legal and can help protect your connection, keep your data private, and add an extra layer of security while you're gaming online. To begin, open the link in the description and go directly to NordVPN's website. Create your account and choose a plan that works for you. Once your account is ready, download the NordVPN app on the device you use for Xbox Cloud Gaming. This could be a Windows PC, a Mac, an Android phone, an iPhone, or even a tablet. Install the app and sign in using your NordVPN account. After opening NordVPN, you'll see a map and a list of server locations. Connect to a server in a country where Xbox Cloud Gaming is officially supported. This step is important for keeping your connection stable and secure. NordVPN will encrypt your internet traffic, which helps protect your personal data and online activity while you play. Once the VPN connection is active, open your browser or the Xbox Cloud Gaming app and sign in with your Xbox account as you normally would. From here, you can start playing your games just like usual. The VPN runs in the background, protecting your connection without changing how the service works. If you notice lag or connection issues, try switching to another NordVPN server in the same country. This often improves speed and stability. Also, make sure your NordVPN app is always updated to get the best performance and security features. Remember, a VPN is for privacy and security, not for bypassing regional restrictions. Always check your local laws and Xbox's availability in your country before playing. And that's how to use a VPN for Xbox Cloud Gaming safely and responsibly. If you want strong security, fast servers, and an easy-to-use app for cloud gaming, check out NordVPN using the link in the description and enjoy a more private and secure gaming experience.